हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज एमडी वसीम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल वसीम एकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर के आया हूँ सीडीपी यानी चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट और पेडागोजी के कुछ टॉप 50 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि डब्ल्यूबी प्राइमरी टेट के लिए बेहद ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन साबित होगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं टॉप 50 चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के कुछ एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मोरल डेवलपमेंट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे सब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस वन लाइनर्स के फॉर्म में है। तो फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम लोग देखते हैं। आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू Hamming, moral development is defined as the process in which the child acquires the value esteemed by his community, acquires as a sense of right and wrong in terms of the values. Next question number 2. In the average of 100 to 119 is classified into which categories? Answer is above average. Question number 3. What were the basics of Erickson's theory that lead to the criticisms of the theory? Answer is personal observations and subjective data. Next is question number 4. Social level among the individuals is also termed as interpsychological. Question number 5. Children learn effectively when they actively participate in the different activities and tasks. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था पूरे क्वेश्चंस का ओवरव्यू। तो आइए हम लोग डिटेल्स क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो ये है टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी स्टेजेस moral development were stated by Havigrust? I repeat, how many stages of moral development were stated by Havigrust? तो टोटली 5 स्टेजेस। हैविग्रस्ट ने टोटल 5 स्टेजेस को डिपेंड किया है मोरल डेवलपमेंट पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दिस 5 moral development or you can say physical development. Number 1 is law of developmental directions, law of rhythmic growth, law of continuity, law of spontaneous growth, mass to differentiated activity, and generalized to localized behavior. These are the law of physical development. Next, question number 3, what is the meaning of moral development? According to Hamming, the moral development is defined as the process in which the child acquires the value esteemed by his community, acquire as a sense of the right and wrong in the terms of the values. Next, question number 4, IQ in the range of 110 to 19 is classified into which category? So it is categorized as above average, IQ of the 110 to 19. Next, question number 5, mention 5 type of memory under the individual's difference. Mention the 5 type of memory under the individual differences. Number 1, immediate memory. Number 2, permanent memory. Number 3, personal memory. Number 4, logical memory. And number 5 is active memory. These are the 5 important memory of the individual difference. Next is question number 6, how many types of attentions are referred to in individual differences? So there are the 12 types of intentions. Attentions are referred in the individual differences. Number 7, how many types of schemas were introduced by Jean Piaget? So Jean Piaget are describe the 2 types of schema. 2 types of schema. Number 1, behavioral schema and cognitive schema. Schema, that is the pocket of informations. Next, question number 8. What is the fourth stage of Kohlberg's sixth developmental stage? Answer is law and orientations. Law and orientations. Next, number 9. Bruner's theory cognitive development focuses on the development of whom for learners and teachers. Okay, the Bruner's theories of cognitive development, it is totally depend on learners and also in teachers. Next, what form of sequencing progressions was suggested by Bruner? Here answer is inactive mode of the iconic mode than the symbolic representations. Bruner's sequencing uh, Bruner's sequencing progressions suggested are the inactive mode of iconic mode and also iconic mode and symbolic representations. Next is that question number 11. According to whom does the child should encourage to adopt discovery approach? According to whom does the child should be encouraged to adopt discovery approach? It is Bruner. Question number 12. What were the basic of Erickson's theory that led to the criticisms of this theory? So here answer is personal observations and subjective data. Next is what term is used for the child that can complete their task with the guidance and assist of one or more skilled persons. It is called the zone of proximal development, often referred ZPD. It is depends on this theory is developed by the Lev Vygotsky. Next question is question number 14. Social level among the individuals is also termed as social level of individuals is also termed as it is called interpsychological. Question 15. Mention the level involved in the functioning of the child relating to cultural development. It is social level and individual level. Next question number 16. Who coined the term IQ or intelligent quotient? Who coined the term IQ or intelligent quotient? It is German psychologist William Stern. Very important. Next question is, when was the Right to Education Act enacted in India? When was the Right to Education Act enacted in India? Its date was 4th August 2009. 4th August 2009. Next question is question number 18. Which is considered as the original institutions from which all the other institutions developed? It is called original institutions from which all other institutions develop. It is called family, where the child grow up. Next, what does John Dewey refers to school as? John Dewey refers to school as a society in a miniature. Okay, society in a miniature. Society, that means a group of peoples live in a particular place. It is called society. Next, question 20 dash emphasize on the mental efficiency and capacity for abstract thinking and reasoning. It is called psychological meaning. Mental efficiency and capacity for abstract thinking and reasoning, it is called psychological meaning. Next is that what stage that Kohlberg defined as a stage 6 of moral development? It is called universal ethical principles orientations. It is called universal ethical principle orientations. Next question number 22. In constructivist frame, learning is defined as active and social in its character. Next is gender is an social, economic, biological psychological entity. It is defined as social construct. Gender is a social construct. Next question is question number 24. The major propositions of the Jean Piaget's theory. Major propositions of Jean Piaget's theory was that answer is children's thinking is qualitatively different from the adults. Okay, children's thinking is qualitatively different from adults. Next is question 25. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is a social activity. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is a social activity. Next question is question 26. The period that initiate the transitions and to adulthood is, which period is called the transitions to adulthood? It is called adolescence, age of the 13 to 18 or 20. Next, in progressive education, children are seen as active explorers. It is called active explorers. Next, in an elementary classroom, it is important to dash the experience that a child brings with him or her. Here in the blanks, in the blanks you can fill build on. In an elementary classroom, it is important to dash the experience that a child brings with him or her. It is build on. Next, which of the following characterize a child is a pre-operational stage? Which of the following characterize child is in pre-operational stage? Number one options: deferred imitations. Number B, irreversibility of thought. Number C, circular reactions. Number D, goal directed behavior. Here answer is irreversibility of thought. Next questions. Question 30. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogue that children have with themselves as. Questions number 30. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogue that children have with themselves as. It is called the private speech. It is called the private speech. Next question is question number 31st. Dash is the philosophy that all children have a right to get equal educations in a regular school system. I repeat, dash is the philosophy that all children have a right to get equal educations in regular school system. It is called inclusion. Okay, inclusion, educations for all. Next question is question number 32. Children should dash questions in the class. Children should dash questions in the class. It is be courage to ask. Okay, children always be courage to ask the questions that can enhance the learning. Next question is question 33. Children learn effectively when? Children learn effectively when? Its answer is that they actively participate in the different activities and tasks. Okay, any children can learn actively participate in the different activities and tasks. Next question is question number 34. Which of the following construct does Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? Which of the following construct does Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? Option number 1, segregations. Option number B, mainstreaming. Option number C, integrated educations. And option number D, inclusive education. Your right answer is inclusive educations. Inclusive educations that construct does Right to Education Act 2009 advocated. Okay, next question is question number 35. Children's error and misconceptions. Here question is children's error and misconceptions. Answer is are a significant step in teaching learning process. Okay, it is a symbol or you can say it is a significant step in the teaching learning process. Next question is question number 36. A teacher's role while cooperative learning in her class is. I repeat, a teacher role in while cooperative learning in her class is. Answer is to be supportive and monitor each group. To supportive and monitor each groups. Next question is question number 37. According to Piaget, specific psychological structures are called. I repeat, according to Piaget, specific psychological structure are called, it is called schema, that is called pocket of informations. Schema is called the pocket of informations. Very important. Next question is question number 38. One of the major accomplishment of concrete operational stage. One of the major accomplishment of the concrete operational stage. Answer is ability to conserve. Okay, ability to conserve. The main important complications of the concrete operational stage of the Jean Piaget, it is called ability to conserve. Next question is question number 39. Constructivists such as Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky view learning as. I repeat, constructivists such as Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky view learning as. So its answer is process of meaning making by active engagement. Process of meaning making and active engagement. Next question is question number 40. Which of the following is central to the concept of progressive education? I repeat, which of the following is central to the concept of progressive education? Option is extrinsic motivations and uniform assessment parameters. Option B, textbook centric learning. Option C, belief in the capability and potentials of every child. And option D, standard instructions and assessment. So friends, here right answer is option C, belief in the capacity and potentials of the every child. Next question is question number 40. Cooperative learning and peer tutoring. I repeat, cooperative learning and peer tutoring dash in inclusive classroom. It should be the actively promoted. Okay, it should be actively promoted. Cooperative learning and peer tutoring, it should be actively promoted in in inclusive classroom. Next question is question 42. What instruction adaptations should a teacher make while working with visually challenged? What instructional adaptations should a teacher make while working with visually challenged? Here answer is speak clearly and use a lot of touch and feel materials. I repeat, speak clearly and use a lot of touch and feel materials. Next question is which of the following strategies would promote the meaning making in children? I repeat, which of the following strategies would promote meaning making children? Here option is that uniform and standardized test. Option B, exploring and discussions. Option C, transmissions of informations. And option number D, using punitive measures. So friends, here answer is option number B, exploring and discussion. Next question is question number 44. A teacher should encourage a student to set. I repeat, a teacher should encourage a student to set dash rather than dash. So here answer will be happen. A teacher should encourage a student to set the learning goals rather than the performance goals. Okay, here the main aim, or you can say the main central point of the teacher is that learning goals of the individuals or every learners. It is very important for any teachers. We proceed the next question is question number 45. In a primary classroom, a teacher should. Here, in a primary classroom, a teacher should answer is give both example and non-examples. Okay, the teacher should give both examples and non-examples to clear the matter. Next is that 46 question 46 dash means making changes in existing schema to fit a new ideas or subject. Very important. Dash means making changes in existing schema to fit a new ideas or object. It is called accommodation. It is called accommodations of the Piaget's theory. Question number 47 children should be dash with materials in order to accommodate new understanding. I repeat, children should be dashed with material in order to accommodate new understanding. It is called an encouraged experiment. Encouraged experiment. Next questions. How does Buckingham view intelligence? Buckingham view intelligence. I repeat, how does Buckingham view intelligence? Its answer is he considered intelligence as the ability to learn. That's why he famous. He considered the intelligence as the ability to learn. Next question number 48. How should Buckingham view intelligence? It completed. Question 49. Child psychology focuses on the dash and dash of the children's parental development through adolescence, mind and behavior. Okay, mind and behavior. Child psychology focuses on the mind and behavior of the children from the parental development through adolescence. Last question from today. How did Thorndike categorize intelligence? I repeat, how did Thorndike categorize intelligence? Number one is abstract intelligence, mechanical intelligence, and social intelligence. So E.L. Thorndike categorized the intelligence in the three types: abstract, mechanical, and social intelligence. So friends, here the 50 most important frequently asked questions of the upcoming WB TET examination. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel, and any query please comment. Thank you friend. Thanks.